To draw eyes, draw a rough sketch of the eyes first. I like to use brown for hook lines. In draft, paint the eye sockets with a dark color in the middle, lighter reddish brown at both ends. There is color difference in the shooting. The brown is not that dark. Want a darker brown? Color gradient transition. The color is almost like this when photographed. First, use a not too light blue to paint a half of the eyeball. Leave a ball everywhere. Painted light blue. Draw a pupil with an outline pen. Dark blue hits a third of the eyeball. Use cold grey and warm pink for the whites of your eyes. If it's a warm color, use warm grey and cool colors. Use the outline pen to trim the shape. There is a light warm color in the light color of the eyeball. I am done.